All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over how to make good quality hay for the wintertime. We're going to be going over cutting, tedding, raking, and baling, how moisture levels affect it, how the weather affects it. So whether you're got a few acres and you're just starting out, or you just want to see how I do it, today in this video I'll show you exactly how. So let's get right into it. We're out here at the field. We got pretty good first cut and orchard grass to do. We've got the sickle bar hooked up to the Massey. We're gonna lay this arm down, show you how to do that. Just bring this backwards, pull back on this. It'll fold that arm out. So now all we gotta do is set it down to the ground, engage our PTO, start cutting. So here you can see how dusty this hay is. This is because we're right next to a dirt road and it hasn't been watered in a few days to let it dry out before we start cutting. This is our orchard grass, clover, and alfalfa field we're doing here. You can see the tall, stemmy orchard grass up high, and down here you can see the lower, closer to the ground, is a lot more clover and alfalfa. So it's a good field. The sickle bar is doing great, cutting right through this, and this is going to be a good first cutting. Just like that, we got this field down. It's actually two separate fields if you guys haven't seen last year's hay videos. We've got one more field to go do, but for first cutting hay, this stuff is looking good. So you can see we have thunderstorms predicted for Thursday and Friday. So it's been 5 days, so we're gonna start raking this up into our windrows. I like to go from the outside in for the first 2 laps, turn around, and start raking it into my windrows. So this is my Massey Ferguson 9-foot side delivery rake. What I have found is about 2 passes of this side delivery rake, so 18 feet in total, will make 1 windrow for the baler. That's about what my baler likes to run, and I find that works pretty good for me. This field across the road, and then we're gonna grab the baler and start baling. All right, so we're getting hooked up to the baler. Here's our bale from last year. We're getting all of our grease points greased. We should have cleaned it last year, but looks like I didn't get around to it. So we're getting all this greased. Make sure I've got wire. All the U-joints are greased. Just kind of doing a once around, making sure this thing's ready to roll. I left it ready to go last year, but every time I use this, I like to throw a little bit of grease in there, double check everything, and we'll get hooked up and get rolling. Alright guys, so we're in travel mode right now. All we got to do is pull this pin, drive forward a little bit. And bam, that'll lock into its open position and it brings the baler to the side of the tractor, as you guys can see. In travel mode, it kind of tucks it all behind. So we've got that out. We'll set down our rake, adjust our chute, and start baling. You can see our rake does a pretty good job at keeping this baler nice and full. And this baler likes to go a little bit slow, keep it nice and full. If you go too fast, I see it tends to clog up sometimes. I only see it every once in a while, typically in the first cutting when it's a little bit thicker grass and a little bit more of it. So nice and slow, keeping the baler full, gives us a really good bale. This is a good baler. Here's a bale coming out of the baler. We just finished up. My dad and girlfriend are over there loading up bales, getting them all picked up. Baler's doing great. Had a couple clogs in the baler feeding it too much, but we got through that, and they're coming out just perfect. So yeah, we're loading it up and we'll take it home. Alright guys, so I've got the hay inside. It's on pallets to keep good airflow around it. I've got my half of the bales, my neighbor's got the other half. So if you guys ever see somebody cutting, raking, and baling on the side of the road, just remember there's a little bit of planning, timing, and luck along with the weather that goes into it. It doesn't work out every time, but this time it did. We got pretty lucky because we had severe thunderstorms the day after, so we were glad to get this hay, baled up and inside and ready for the winter. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment if you have any questions or if you have any future ideas for the channel. Go check out some other videos we've got right up here, and have a good one.